How gorgeous is this beach? There's absolutely nobody here. It's like I have a private beach all to myself. Imagine being a pirate out in the Caribbean and seeing something like this. I mean, want to be marooned and never want to leave. My favorite pirate is Captain Jack Sparrow, and today I'm going to share with you 5 lessons that we can learn about our money from the great Captain Jack Sparrow. The first thing is to plug your leaks. Now, if you remember, if you're a Pirates of the Caribbean movie addict like I am, in the opening scene of the movie, he's on this rickety old ship full of holes, and he somehow manages to scoop up all that water and make it into the docks of Port Royal just as about the ship is about to sink. Right? You must be able to plug your leaks when it comes to your money and your financing. All right? You don't want to come to the point where, things are so bad and you have to just jump ship. Know where your leaks are, be aware of where they are, and take action to try and plug those leaks. The next thing you want to do is, I think the most tragic scene in the movie is when Elizabeth goes and lights up all those rums in flame just to get attention of the surrounding sailors, the British Army and all of that, or Navy and all of that. But it was such tragedy. Imagine some amazing Caribbean rum going to waste. But Captain Jack Sparrow was not impressed, okay, with all of that gone. Essentially, I mean, your rum is your money, okay? That's your sustenance, that's your income. And don't let your money game run away right up to the point where you're sitting and you're wondering, why is all the rum gone? And I know at times, sometimes, you get paid, debit order hits, and your funds are just gone, and you're sitting and wondering. It's bad money behavior, taking on a lot of consumer debt that basically leaves you wondering, where is all the rum gone? The next thing is, Captain Jack, although he's captain's hat, it means authority, and you need to be the captain of your financial ship. Don't let any friends, family member, dodgy financial advisor talk you out of where you want to be and where you want to go in your financial journey. All right, the next thing, with the pirate ship, the Black Pearl, you'll notice that it had a lot of sails. And there's the main sail, and there's all these ancillary sails around it. I don't know what the term is. I'm not a boating person. But essentially, why they have those extra sails is to really capitalize on the winds. Right? So if you're only sailing with your main sail, yes, you will move. You will get to your destination eventually. But those smaller sails really help you accelerate in the journey. And in life, your main sail is your salary, that main one source of income. Now, that one source of income will take you where you want to go. It'll just take you a little bit longer. Whereas if you have the side sales, those ancillary sales like side hustles and other sources of income, you're going to be in a better position to reach where you want to go with your life, with your finances, a lot quicker. All right. And lastly, you'll notice in the first movie of Pirates of the Caribbean, Jack, he had his hat, he had this compass that never pointed north, and he had this pistol with just one bullet, and he could have used it at various points throughout the movie, but he saved it till the end because he knew what his end game was, and he saved it for Captain Barbossa. All right, you must be able to have your last bullet and not blast it when you need it, and that last bullet is your emergency savings. Right, your emergency savings, you need to keep it together. You need to keep it separate from that money. You can't be spending it. You got to keep that money for that emergency situation, and that is your last bullet. So I hope Captain Jack Sparrow inspired you a little to try and get your money game together. If you need any help with your money, you need help with budgeting, click the link where you're watching this video, and I'll be happy to help you. Remember that we've got tons of financial education resources from a South African perspective on our website. It's www.financiallyfabulousfemales.com. Also tons of videos on our YouTube channel, Financially Fabulous Females. We also have a lot of paid resources, downloadable resources and tools that you can download, purchase, courses, a lot of stuff that's available a lot of stuff available to try and help you get your money game together.